So hi again guys, I'm back with a new review. So you can see today's latest litter test will be the pet pattern guys. So the bottom two best clean and cat litter are the local and very cheap litters, and these are branded, and I have also done many other reviews, but I don't have the packets right now, so you can check in on my YouTube channel. So guys, worst, best in local, best in brand, very much loyal from the loyal birds. The clumping is so damn good that it will get over, instead of getting over in 30 days, it will get over in 15 days guys, for a single cat. So this is risky guys, but guys, the latest review is for this pet pattern guys. So this was a new clay oriented Bentonite which I wanted to test. So you can see two cards are given, quick litter compare, and this is 5 kg. So guys, I have brought this for 400 rupees. MRP was 500 rupees and I got 20% off. Okay, but guys, I am very means disappointed with this product. Okay, I read all the things are good, and but I will tell you in further videos. So guys, this is, you can see this is a little bit white color, but the Super Pet Lal Super Pet and the Loyal Birds litter, it's little bit reddish or a little bit pinkish litter. So that's actually the natural one. So this is natural, but I guess this is the processed one. That's why its color is white. Okay, so so guys, as I said, the price, but you can see no price on the whole packet guys. So it is just fooling. And the worst thing is that guys, amongst all the litter, I regret this one, because guys, you can see it's made in China guys. I regret the whole buying of this pet pattern guys, but just for review I will just show you guys. Okay, so I'm just disappointed, no prices there. This is imported from China. So and means this is just making fool of the peoples who are buying this. Okay guys, so all the basic things. Okay, how to add, and these are a few things. They are saying it's 100% natural, economically used, mean cheap price guys. I to say this will be of 200 rupees if you directly buy from a wholesaler, but I have got it in 400 rupees, and I don't like it, because the localized bentonite clay based, it also comes within 250-300 rupees guys, and it's India made and good for use. I have used it. So economical use, orderless. Yeah, everybody claims orderless, environmental friendly, as the highly absorbent mineral bentonite is particularly suitable for all kind of weather environment. Okay, but in rainy seasons guys, it clumps very easily, and it gets little bit unstable. Okay, that's my experience. So pet pattern litter made by special clay, extreme good absorption. Okay, so as I said, bentonite is clay based, which will absorb the what to say. So sometimes I think that when it is used, we can also reuse if you have the correct procedure to. But I have never tried it yet. But we will try someday in further. Super absorbent. Okay, yeah. All bentonite are super absorbent. 99% dust free. It never happens, guys. In Loyal World, in any costly litter, it does not happen, because this thing is like kept like this. It's thrown away. Means it happens that if it still does not have the dust, it will gain dust after some time. Okay, guys. So guys, let's check and pour this in the litter tray. So unhappy guys, but I will definitely share you the review. So guys, just a quickie. This is Royal Birds good clay, and you can see the current color of it after use of 15 days. So guys, you can see Shero is already getting in the clumping clay. Okay, he always gets excited whenever he gets a new clay, and he has also started using it. But guys, I will say this claims 99% dust free. Oh my god guys, it's 99% with dust guys. when I was using this thing, a huge amount of just a cloud of dust just came out. So guys, you know the reputation of China, the worst thing ever. Okay guys, don't trust it and don't go for this thing. As per its color and all those things, it looks same like a, what we say, the 200 300 rupees bentonite clay, and I cannot even feel the fragrance, guys. I cannot feel the fragrance, not at all. So I guys, say no to China.